What is Scheduler.ai? It's an AI tool that qualifies, books, and manages sales meetings before your sales reps even respond. Imagine this. A lead fills out your form. Your sales team offline, sleeping, busy, but Scheduler.ai instantly jumps in, qualifies the leads, routes them to the right rep, proposes a time, books the meeting, all while your team is still catching up. This is not your regular booking link. This is a fully trained AI agent working 24/7 to keep your pipeline moving. So what actually is Scheduler.ai and how does it work? It's a conversational AI assistant built for B2B teams, and it's trained on your sales playbook. It engages leads in real time over chat, text, or email. It doesn't just send a link. It asks qualifying questions, checks your rep calendars, proposes real-time availability, and even handles no-shows or reschedules. So let's break it down. First, it engages. Whether the lead comes from your website, email, or SMS, Scheduler.ai jumps in fast. No waiting, no delays, just real-time conversation to keep the lead warm. Next, it qualifies. It can ask questions like what's your team size or what are you looking to solve, and based on the lead answers, it decides if they're a good fit. Then it routes. Using CRM data, lead ownership rules, or geographic filters, it sends the lead to the right sales rep. No more manual handoffs or missed intros. And after that, it books the meeting. Scheduler.ai checks your calendar, suggests times, and confirms a meeting right inside your conversation. No external links, no form filling, just move back and forth that locks in the meeting. And if something changes, it handles it. If the prospect can't make the call, Scheduler.ai reschedules it automatically. It sends reminders, avoids double booking, and makes sure the meeting actually happens. And it doesn't stop there. After the call, Scheduler.ai can log notes, summarize meetings, draft follow-up emails, and push everything to your CRM. Your reps stay focused on closing, the AI handles the admin. So, who is this for? Lead gen agencies, busy sales teams, startup CEOs with small teams and no time. If your pipeline depends on speed to lead and fast follow-ups, this tool is built for you. But let's be real, Scheduler.ai won't fix bad messaging or a broken funnel or reps who just don't show up. But if your problem is missed leads, manual follow-ups, or too much time spent booking meetings, this tool will absolutely help. But if you have nothing that helps drive traffic to your top of the funnel, you might find valuable by combining Scheduler.ai with Agent Frank from Salesforge that helps you do cold email outreach. Agent Frank can do the outbound, Scheduler handles the inbound. Put them together and you got full pipeline coverage, automated end to end. Now, if you want to find out more about Agent Frank, I suggest you take a look at the video right here. If you used any of those tools previously, please let me know your experience down in the comments below. And if you want me to review any other tool, also let me know down in the comments below. It was me, Sam. Have a good one and peace.